Yeah, I heard you this morning. You had something about you going to be a farmer and have a hog.
Yeah, we gonna get a two-legged hog, man. And it got round legs there, over.
Yeah, I hear you. Band's not too good today. I can just barely hear you, but that's okay. But yeah, I heard that this morning. I had to tease you a little bit about having a hog. I don't blame you. I said I wish I could ride a motorcycle. I'd have a hog too to play with, but I don't have and I can't, so I got to do the best I can with four wheels. Go ahead.
Oh yeah. Well, we feel that we feel pretty safe still being able to ride. So I had a chance to get one. It's a 2008. It's an anniversary edition. It's kind of a gold copper color on the tank and everything. A lot of chrome. It's got a windshield and a sissy bar on the backrest for the passenger and stuff. It looks pretty nice, so we're just waiting for the guy to call. He lost the title to it, or I'd have had it already, so I'm just waiting for him to, he already sent for a new one. He said it would take 3 to 4 weeks. This week is the 4th week, so we're just waiting for him to call, and then we're going to go get it, over.
There you go. Yeah, I remember the anniversary model. Oh, those were sharp-looking motorcycles there that Harley had. So, yeah, I hear you on that. No, me and my wife, back before I started driving a truck, we used to travel around on two wheels going everywhere. And I didn't have time after I started truck driving. Then when I got out of the truck, I can't ride one. So, anyhow, I do miss riding around on a motorcycle. Go ahead.
Oh, yeah. Well, we still enjoy it, and like I said, we still feel safe doing it. So, don't know how many years we'll be able to. So, I figured I'd go ahead and pull the trigger and get one. It's a nice one, and it come up, and the price was right. So, we're going to get it and see what happens. Yeah, they're the anniversary ones they're pretty nice from each of the special years that they promote them and stuff. It's got special badging on it and stuff like that, celebrating the 105th year of Harley Davidson. So we're going to do it, and we're going to enjoy it as long as we can, and then when we can't, then we'll turn around and sell it for somebody else to enjoy it, over.
Yep, that's the way to handle it. I was telling you yesterday with my mowers, I got a kind of plan figured out for them when I get going here. Don't know. Like I said, all plans change in a hurry. Well, that's all I can say about that. But, yeah, it's just one of those things. I'm sitting here waiting for a good price on a snowblower. Some of these people, the season they're going to think it's over with. I'll go pick me up a snowblower for my John Deere tractor. Go ahead.
Okay, all right, one that'll fit on the front. They're pretty good. I've seen a few of them. They're pretty neat. Yeah, I got just a push one, and of course the rear wheels, move and stuff. When you squeeze the handlebar thing once you get it started, it works pretty good. But that's about all I need anyway, because we don't really get that much snow here. And like I said, this past snowstorm that we got, last month, earlier this month, that was the most we've gotten since we lived here. So, and the snowblower worked real good on that, man. It was real neat, man. Just plowing right through it and then throwing it off to the side there, over.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. That's why I'm going to get one. Up here, we got a lot of snowblowers up here that go on these garden tractors. Of course, we get a lot of snow up here normally, and then there'll be somebody that's going to move away or for some reason, they weren't going to do it anymore. It takes a lot of work to put one of those on a mower, and what happens is, that's why I bought that L120 that I got out here. I planned on, because putting the blade on that S100 was, man, by the time you go to drop the jack, and then you got to put the blade on, then you got to put the cab on. There's a lot of work involved in that. And so what I'm going to do is the L120, which is a 2004 model, which I just redid the engine on, if you remember right. I redid the steering on it, too. So what I'm going to do is put a snow blower on it and just leave it on it there. Go ahead.
Oh, okay. All right. That sounds like a good idea. Yeah, then you won't have to worry about changing things out. So that's a good deal. So, all right, man, we're going to let you go. Joe's probably in there, hopefully. So get to talk to him because he's going to take off tomorrow. So we'll definitely catch you in the tomorrow. And yeah, we heard you on there this morning. Sounded good. So we'll catch you tomorrow afternoon, Bill. AB9GY, W3IBG.
Okay, Bob, 7-3. KK6BS, are you there?
Whiskey, Bravo, 0, Oscar, Tango, Sierra.
Come on, turn on the power. You ain't making it.
How about it, LMS? You out there?
I think you need to get that Mercury going.
LMS, and been able to hear everyone so far. The other station was a little weaker, but I think he's a little bit closer to me. So, but no, everything else is good. No big plans. Pretty much done for the day. Hopefully. So, Bill, how's everything with you and going?
Well, it's doing all right now. Yesterday me and Dennis went fishing. Well, I didn't fish. He did. I had a tooth break off below the gum level, and he had to go in there and get it all out. Well, that's the way life goes sometimes. It took a little bit, but not bad. Back to you.
Yeah, that one's always a painful one, and you know the other thing is you keep putting your tongue on that area too, checking it out. But no, other than that, yeah, everything's good. I've got to go over and let a friend's dog out tonight between 5 and 6, and then I will be done for the evening. And tomorrow, no big plans. May go up to Luther, friend's house about 30 miles away, have lunch with them, and that's the plan for tomorrow. But other than that, nothing else is new. So back to you, N0, LMS.
Okay, yeah, well, we got 43 degrees. I keep looking at that weather map, and it's right on the edge here. And so I wanted to go out. I like to get away from the house every once in a while. I get that cabin fever, but it ain't going to be today because we got a whole bunch of rain coming in today. And like I said, it should be starting any time. I don't see any on the roofs across from me, so I just know it's coming. And those wheelchairs don't go very fast in the rain. Go ahead.
That's right. We've got a balmy 56 degrees right now, and it's melting our snow, which is a good thing. The only problem is we'll get some more at some point, but it's just every day like this is just one day less, and basically just have another month of this, and then it continually warms up on a continual stage. So anyway, yeah. So let's go back to you, Bill, and good talking with you. N0, LMS.
Okay, Randy, it's nice talking to you. You have a fine one and take care. I hope the snow don't come again, but it might. All our snow is gone now. Unless there was a tall pile, all our snow is gone. Just waiting for that new fresh batch to come, but I don't see any 8-day forecast. 10-day forecast. See how I am. And there's nothing in the horizon right now, but that don't mean that can't change. All right, we'll talk to you later in 7-3. We're going to try KK6BF. Are you there?
KR4WB.